Hey, Mark from Caliber Home Loans. Just want to send out a quick message that MSHDA has lowered their rates for the first time this year. So yes, MSHDA did lower their rates. Actually, happened last Thursday on the 8th. So I just wanted to make sure you guys knew about this. So the MI home loan, the no down payment assistance went from 6% to 5.875, and the home loan with the down payment assistance went down from 6.5 to 6.375. So not a big change, but every little bit helps. I just want to go through real quick the MSHDA requirements, just an overview. So down payment assistance is a second mortgage. There's no interest rate, there's no payment, there's no monthly payment. We call it a silent second. It sits on top of your first mortgage. It gets repaid when you refinance the first mortgage or sell the house. There is a minimum credit score of 640 or 660 for a manufactured home. All adults living in the home must be on the mortgage and credit qualify, unless they're a full-time student, and we can prove that. Maximum debt to income ratio cannot exceed 45%, and first-time home buyers only accept in targeted areas, and a first-time home buyer is anyone who has not owned a home in the last 3 years. So the down payment assistance comes in the form of $7,500 or $10,000, depending on the zip code of the home. Income limits are based on location and family size. So again, it just depends on where the house is located or the condominium. Maximum of 2 acres. Must take a first-time homebuyer class unless you're using the non or no down payment assistance program, and the down payment assistance and no down payment assistance options. Now, the reason there are two options is not everybody needs the down payment. So MSHDA, because you're not using the down payment assistance, they offer you the lower rate. So if you qualify for MSHDA, sometimes based on your credit score and whether you're buying a house or a condo and whatnot, the MSHDA rates are actually lower. So it's something to consider. So please reach out with any questions you may have on how this may impact your road to home ownership. You know, it's always worth a conversation to see whether now is the right time for you to get a pre-approval, to start to look at buying a house. I know that rates have gone up a lot since the beginning of the year. They've come down a little bit in the last 3-4 weeks, but it's really based on your situation and where you are. So give me a shout. We can discuss it and see whether now is a good time or not. Thanks a lot. 248-705-8431.